over these last 2 weekends. We hope you're all safe. We want to thank you for joining us virtually. Well, due to the pandemic lockdown challenges, we went online for this year's festival, and the sessions were held on Zoom video, Facebook Live platform, actively promoted on all social media platforms, ensuring attendance of a larger audience from across the world. We had 2 action-packed weekends where we had some of the most talented best-selling authors talk to us about their books in conversation with an equally amazing list of moderators who kept the conversation flowing. I want to start by thanking, first of all, our most eminent guest, Srimati Chitra Mudgal, who is the Sahitya Akademi Awardee 2019 for Hindi Literature, Dr. Vinay Sehasrabudhe, Honorable Member of the Parliament and President, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Srimati Rama Pandey for constantly supporting us in this 2-week journey, the authors who opened their books and hearts and let us in, starting with Mr. Anupam Kher, Shri Pavan Verma, Devdutt Patnaik, Satyarth Naik, Mr. Anand Neelakantan, the Bahubali fame, Ms. Preeti Shenoy, Bharti Pradhan and Rahul Agarwal, Tahira Kashyap Khurana, Durjoy Datta, Arpit Vagheria, Dian Pandey, Kevin Missel, Novaneel Chakraborty, Yasser Usman, Anuradha Jain, Manjul Bajaj, and my apologies if I've left out anyone. We thank you so much for talking to all of us, and we are sincerely grateful. We were also very, very delighted to have Dr. Anurag Batra, who is the chairman and editor-in-chief, Business World, and Ms. Milli Ashwarya, editorial director, Ebury India in Random Business at Random House, to be a part of the advisory body of the Delhi Literature Festival. Our sincerest gratitude to all of our session moderators, Smita Verma, Madhu Purnima Kishwar, Nirja Deodhar, Richa Lakhera, Tanya Sachdev, Stuti Ghosh also moderated one of the sessions, Pallavi Kamakshi Rabba Pragada, Aishwarya Sehasrabudhe, once again from First Post, Surya Sarthi Bhattacharya and Arshia Dhar, once again from First Post, who so flawlessly moderated the sessions over the last 2 weeks. And we're also, in fact, very pleased to inform all of our audiences that the DLF 2021 was being actively promoted on leading digital media platforms, including the Glance, InMobi, which is a lock screen service for high quality content, Roposo, a video sharing social media platform, as they are the presenting partner, both with over 120 million active users, and on Exchange for Media, which is the largest platform for latest news about media, digital advertising agencies, marketing, etc. Radio City is the official radio partner for the DLF 2021. First Post is the digital media partner for the festival with over 2 million active users. The leading retail bookstore, Om Bookshop, is in fact the official bookstore partner. We're also very pleased to inform you that DLF 2021 was being powered by Radio Khaitan Limited and Radico Khaitan, I'm sorry. DLF Avenue is the official host for the DLF 2021, where this year's curtain raiser was successfully organized. Our other sponsors for the DLF 2021 were Vodafone Idea and PP School International. Laidback Cafe is the cafe partner, and DLF was also supported by New Delhi Social Workers Association and Delhi's leading Japanese cuisine restaurant, Sushi Bar Guppy, by AI. Marativ is the community partner. Book My Seats is the outreach partner. And we'd also like to extend a very special gratitude to the Delhi School of Communication and all the volunteers for their involvement in all the coordination and research. And on behalf of the Delhi Literature Festival, as a curator, I'd like to express our deepest gratitude to every one of you, and thank you for all your support and presence at the Delhi Literature Festival 2021. Trust me, without you, it wouldn't have been possible. And we'd also like to thank, of course, our publishers, once again, the moderators, friends from the media, and all of our volunteers, the vendors, particularly Mr. Manik Malik and his team, who did all the creatives, our lovely, lovely audience. Without you, we are nobody. And all of our viewers who could take out time from their busy schedules and join us live for our sessions, for the questions you asked. Thank you once again. You keep us going. The numbers kept increasing day by day, so we thank you for that. And the Delhi Literature Festival is, in fact, not complete without the passionate involvement and hard work of Ms. Bharti Bhargava ji, who is the founder director of DLF, Dr. Nasir Jamal Patel, who is again director DLF, Mr. Kunal Gupta and Mr. Anup Sharma, advisors DLF, Dr. Amna Mirza, our MC Meenu Agarwal, and the entire team and family of the Delhi Literature Festival. We thank you once again, and our heartiest congratulations to all of you for success of the DLF 2021. In the end, apologies for if there are any errors, and we are going to take your feedback. If there is any, please feel free to post in your feedback, and we promise to serve you better in future. For regular updates and session videos, please check our website, DelhiLiteratureFestival.org, and our Facebook and Instagram pages. Our Twitter handle remains at Delhi_lit_fest. So please keep in touch and do stay safe and healthy, and good night.